Welcome to Carketa, where we provide powerful tools to help dealerships across the US sell cars faster and optimize business performance. Our suite of solutions enables smarter decisions and boost profitability by improving how you source, price, and sell vehicles. Today, we'll quickly dive into Dealer Insights, your go-to tool for market trends and dealership insights. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to analyze market performance and make data-driven decisions to stay ahead. Let's begin with your region. This section gives you an overview of your market averages. You can customize your view by toggling between nationwide or KSL dealers. To further refine your results, use the Dealerships Like Mine option, which matches your dealership with similar ones in the market. The results show 4 essential metrics: dealer count, average cars on lot, average list price, and average days on lot. Next, the Regional Trends section offers deeper insights. You'll see data on inventory levels, sold inventory, average days on lot, and list prices, helping you gauge overall market dynamics. These graphs provide a clear view of how long cars are staying on lots and at what prices they're listed. There's also a graph showing average list price by model year, breaking down how vehicle prices change based on their age. Under Inventory Levels, you can filter data by make, model, or year to see how specific brands are performing. Watch for current low supply and high supply, as these indicate potential demand shifts in the market. In the Sales by Model section, filter to see the top-selling models and those that sell the fastest. This is a great way to stay on top of inventory trends and stock vehicles that move quickly. And that's your guide to KSL Dealer Insights by Carketa. Use these tools to optimize your dealership's performance and stay ahead of the competition. If you need further assistance, our support team is here to help. Thank you for using Carketa.